»50 Jahre.
Sieht außerirdisch aus.
Kommt aber aus Deutschland. Transportiert irdische Güter.«
Konecranes Straddle Carriers have been handling containers for the past 50 years.
Dieser Peiner Portagestapler hat damals die ersten Container im Hamburger Hafen transportiert.
Das Grundkonzept hat sich im Wesentlichen nicht geändert. Das Gerät fährt heute noch.
Reliable and durable. From the design to the first test run, the employees of the Würzburg plant have every single step in the manufacture of their straddle carriers firmly in their hands.
Almost 200 years after the founder Matthias Noell started a blacksmith shop for making and repairing horse-drawn carriages and later rail cars, still today everything here is clearly focused on the production of highly specialized transport equipment for global trade. We are a global player with roots here in the region, living the promise of Made in Germany. Here in Würzburg, we call ourselves Konecranes and also Noell, which comes from our history and our pride in what we do. Many of us have been working here for generations, and we are convinced that our company has a bright future.
One of the best things about the factory here is that you can see your straddle carrier from all phases of production, starting out at raw material to the finished product.
New low-emission drivetrain technologies, advanced control solutions, and above all, the completely autonomous operation of entire vehicle fleets are now launched to the market. The most important reason for the success of the last 50 years is our cooperation with the customer.
Ja, Konecranes hat unsere praktischen Erfahrungen stets genutzt, um das Produkt weiterzuentwickeln.
Das soll auch in Zukunft so sein.
We make our products with our heads, our hands and our hearts.